Hey guys, what's up? Today we got in our Fidget cubes, so I thought we'd check them out, see what comes in the box. Got the order of what we got here, and the cubes. These were the extra little add-ons that they were selling. That way you can protect it, and you've got a little keychain for it. Alright, let's open these bad boys up. So I noticed that they didn't stick very well in the case, which is cool. Kind of cracked a little bit here on its journey. Alright, this one is the Midnight. Ooh, these are nice. I was wondering how this one was going to feel. Whether it was going to be smooth or have some kind of resistance to it. Oh, this is light. You have to put almost no pressure on it. The case itself, I thought was going to feel more of a, kind of like those matte rubbery kinds of toys you get, but it's solid plastic. This one's alright. Goes right back to the center, but it doesn't have much movement. I really am impressed with the gears. I wasn't sure if these were going to be just free spinning, but they do have a nice tactile feel or response. The ball rolls pretty easily, like the old school, the bottoms of them, remember the computer mouse? Kind of like that. And it's got a nice click. Now, one thing that they did say when they were talking about releasing these, that 2 of these are silent. Oops, sorry about that. These ones were the loud ones. And this was supposed to be a softer click. Which I can see that. The Worry Stone. Not bad. Considering I have pretty small hands, this is pretty nice. Nice fit, not too big. Let's check out the other one. This bubble wrap kept your Fidget Cube safe on its journey to you. Take a moment to treat yourself and pop a few. Oh, I didn't see that on the first one. Thanks, guys. There we go. Yeah, this was supposed to be sticky. Not bad. Again, this I feel could have done better. I mean, it moves, I guess, instead of the Worry Stone, because I was expecting a better tactile feel for this. It's really just plastic. I was expecting that soft, smooth, matte rubber. But this could take its place. A little louder. Again, this was a nice one. I wasn't expecting the resistance on it. I thought it was just going to be a smooth. I like the punch on this one. This one's a lot quieter. About the same. These are nice. The gears are the same. I'm not satisfied with this clicking one. Worry stones are the same. What else am I missing here? I think that's all of them. Now let's check out the little prisms that come with it. Again, these are to make sure that they stay safe, keep them wrapped without getting scratched or scuffed, and gives you something to hook it onto. Maybe your keys. Yeah, and this material is kind of what I was expecting it to feel like. It's this is rubbery. I was definitely expecting this to feel like this. Got the, oh, this is a nice keychain actually. Pretty big. I'm not entirely sure how to put these on. Doesn't really block it, it's still a little bit, but it's kind of a little harder to get at. The buttons protrude, so they're easier, but anything that's more sunken into the cube is a little harder to get your finger on because of the barrier here. Yeah. Not bad. Now let's see what came in the box. Assuming that the cube was supposed to be like this. All the different sides. And it comes with a if you didn't end up buying these, it comes with a little carrying case, little carrying pouch, and little decals for your sticker needs. Yeah. And there you go. Again, this is just a, you know, open the box, what's inside kind of thing. After using it for maybe about a week or so, I'll upload my final thoughts on the product. This is just the initial, you know, what's inside, what's going on with these. So yeah, there you have it, guys. The Fidget Cube. Thanks for watching.